Hello, my name is Toby. I am a registered provisional psychologist here at Human Integrated Performance, and today I'll be talking to you about revealing the impact of physical health on mental well-being and how taking care of your body can help you combat depression. One thing to keep in mind is that good mental health is essential for overall well-being, yet many people still overlook it when prioritizing their health. Despite the importance of good mental health, it can often be forgotten in favor of physical exercise and proper nutrition that can help to keep us healthy and strong. The truth is, however, that there is a strong connection between mental health and physical vitality, as your body's condition has an effect on how your mind deals with stressors. Mental illness, such as depression, isn't something you simply snap out of if left ignored or untreated. It can worsen over time. However, learning how to take care of your body properly could be crucial in helping prevent further suffering from taking its toll. In this blog, we will discuss the impact physical well-being has on your mental state, looking at the science behind why you're taking care of yourselves and how it helps us keep us mentally strong. So, explaining the importance of physical and mental health and how they are interconnected. Physical and mental health are both essential components of overall well-being. They can affect each other in a variety of ways, both positive and negative. When one is healthy, it can often lead to improvements in others. Conversely, when one is not well, it can have an effect on the other. For example, having a healthy diet with proper nutrition and exercise can contribute to good physical health and improve mental well-being. On the flip side, having poor physical habits or being overweight can put additional strain on mental health. Similarly, having a good sense of mental health can manage stress levels, leading to improved physical health outcomes. In essence, there is a direct link between physical and mental health as they are closely intertwined. It is important to take care of both the physical and mental health in order to maintain a balance and avoid potential complications later down the line. Eating nutritious meals regularly, engaging in regular physical activity such as walking, running, or going for a swim, and getting enough rest are all important factors in maintaining good mental and physical well-being. Additionally, taking time for yourself to relax or pursue hobbies you enjoy is also necessary for looking after both your mind and body. Finally, making sure that any signs of depression or anxiety are taken seriously by seeking professional help if needed will also ensure that both your physical and emotional needs are met. So let's go ahead and describe the connection between physical well-being and mental health. Physical health and mental health are closely intertwined, and the link between them is strong and undeniable. Mental health conditions such as depression, anxiety, stress, and other mood disorders can have a significant negative effect on physical well-being. Likewise, poor physical health can often exacerbate mental health issues. For example, chronic fatigue syndrome, CFS, is characterized by severe exhaustion that can severely impact an individual's ability to engage in activities or work. This lack of activity can lead to low self-esteem and psychological distress. In addition, physical illness and injury can create feelings of helplessness associated with both physical and emotional pain. On the other side of the coin, when an individual's physical well-being is balanced, it creates a positive environment for improved mental health. Exercise releases endorphins, which boost mood, increase energy levels, and improve sleep quality, all factors which contribute to better psychological functioning. Healthy eating habits also plays an important role in overall well-being. Nutrition deficiencies have been linked to decreased cognitive functioning, while proper nutrition can help reduce stress and anxiety levels. Further research has demonstrated that physical activity helps alleviate depression symptoms as well as increase overall cognitive performance. It is clear that taking care of your physical health is essential for achieving good mental health. Conversely, having good mental health also improves our physical well-being. Taking regular exercise along with eating a nutritious balanced diet are simple yet effective steps we can take towards improving our overall wellness on both fronts. So let's shift to examining how our bodies affect our minds and our ability to cope with stressors. Our bodies affect our minds and ability to cope with stressors in more ways than we may initially think. For starters, our physical health can play a big role in how easily we are able to handle stress. If we are not taking the necessary steps to maintain good health, such as getting enough sleep, eating a balanced diet, and exercising regularly, then this can have an impact on both our mental and physical well being. Additionally, the hormones that are released when we experience stress can further weaken our immune systems and make us more susceptible to illness or injury. Our bodies also have a direct effect on how quickly we are able to recover from difficult situations or times of distress. When faced with a stressful situation, our body will respond by releasing adrenaline and cortisol into the bloodstream, which can cause us to become agitated or panicked. If these hormones remain present for too long, it can lead to chronic levels of anxiety or depression that can be difficult to treat. But if we are able to actively practice mindfulness activities or engage in other forms of self-care, such as yoga or relaxation therapy, these activities can help counteract the effects of these hormones and help us regulate our emotions more effectively during stressful times. Finally, being mindful of how our body responds to certain triggers is an important part of managing stress in a healthy manner. For example, if we notice ourselves tensing up when faced with unpleasant situations at work or school, this could be an indication that the situation is causing undue stress on us emotionally. In such cases, it is important for us to take proactive steps to manage this response, such as deep breathing exercises or walking away from the source of stress for a few minutes before returning and attempting to address it more calmly. By recognizing how physical responses manifest during moments of distress, we're better equipped to deal with them appropriately, rather than exasperating them further with panic or frustration. Understanding the consequences of neglecting mental illness. Neglecting mental illness can have devastating effects on the individuals involved and their families, as well as on society at large. Left untreated, mental illness can become increasingly more difficult to treat, leading to longer-term issues such as increased risk for suicide, drug abuse, and homelessness. It is important to understand that mental illness is a real medical condition, not something that someone can just snap out of or ignore. When it comes to prevention, early identification and treatment are key. If you notice changes in mood, behavior, or feelings in yourself or someone else that last for more than 2 weeks, reach out and get help. There are many resources available, including therapy, support groups, medication, and other treatments that can help bring relief from symptoms and manage the disorder over time. Additionally, it is important to stay connected with family members and friends who may be struggling with mental illness. Offering understanding, patience, and non-judgmental support can go a long way in helping them find treatment if they need it. Finally, societal attitudes towards mental health play an important role in prevention efforts. The more open we are about discussing mental health issues openly without stigma or shame attached to them, the more likely people will feel comfortable seeking help when necessary. When those suffering from mental illness don't feel judged or ashamed of their condition, they're more likely to seek help needed for recovery, creating a stronger sense of community, understanding overall, so no one gets left behind by neglecting their mental health needs. So in conclusion, physical health plays an important role in our mental state. When our bodies are healthy, we often feel more energized and motivated. This can help us stay positive and productive throughout the day. Studies have shown that regular physical activity can reduce stress and boost both mental and emotional well-being. Exercise releases endorphins, which act as a natural mood enhancers, helping to reduce feelings of depression or anxiety. Additionally, regular exercise helps us sleep better, which has a positive effect on our overall mental health and well-being. A healthy diet can also play an important role in improving our mental state. Eating a balanced diet that is rich in fruits, vegetables, and proteins can help to supply our brain with the essential nutrients it needs for cognitive functioning. Eating whole foods instead of processed or sugary snacks can also be beneficial for maintaining good mental health. Lastly, staying hydrated is another important way to improve physical health, as dehydration can lead to decreased alertness, fatigue, and even headaches, which can all have negative impact on our emotional state and productivity levels. By focusing on physical health through exercise, a nutritious diet, and proper hydration, we can ensure that both our physical body and mind remain in optimal condition. To conclude, the importance of physical and mental health is evident. A strong connection between our bodies and minds exists, and understanding the consequences of neglecting either can be a key in preventing an array of issues. By taking into account how physical well being affects our mental state and vice versa, we can pursue better holistic health. This can lead to improved coping mechanism when addressing or dealing with stressors in our lives, as well as comprehensive understanding and appreciation for the important roles for both physical health and mental health. Remember that it is possible for individuals to take charge of their own well-being by pursuing wellness within all aspects of their lives, the physical and the mental. Consider connecting with one of the human integrated performance psychologists to discuss how to better your mental well-being.